Hello everyone and welcome back to Automated Forex Trading. Osiris EA day 16. Well, a couple days we were not recording as usual. Yesterday we have FOMC. Markets are now favoring in a very soft board, still soft but still favoring the US dollar. So we're gonna come back to recording as usual, updating you as how Osiris is performing on different live accounts, as well as on the ongoing simulations where we capture data to improve the strategy. And as usual today we're going to just go over the worst case scenario and how organically you, as you make money, you protect your capital. Okay, remember that the worst case scenario or maximum loss per currency will be 3,500. Let's just think about the quantity, not let's avoid focus for a moment in currency denomination. Okay, as usual, my name is Jose Ricardo Tejada, designer, co-founder of Osiris EA. Always remember you can visit our different websites, forextradersdaily.com, where we have information on different live trade rooms. Ross Mullins, head of trading, Mark Chapman, the creator of the Trap Traders concept, and Dustin Pass, president and CEO of the company. You may also contact us via Guardian Trust FX, our trading website where we actually actively manage clients' account. We trade those accounts. We provide free VPS services, so we can connect your account to our different strategies. And of course, today we're going to go over this one of live accounts we have from a client in Australia. Very interesting case, everything verified via my FX book. The account is at Pepperstone. It's technical automated, leverage 500 to 1, and it's in Australian dollars. So far, this are the stats. According to the formula from my FX book is 12.05% per month. Current drawdown sitting at 39.13. We're gonna check the graphic, the charts for the drawdown. It was an estimated $2,175 Australian dollars in this drawdown. Okay, and we're generating a daily 0.38% so far in the last, let's see how many months, 1 2 3 full months. We'll say three and a half months, because we only are 15 days within June. So yeah, 3.5 months we have generated 53.16% with a 39.13% drawdown this week, and used as a measure of risk. Okay, now always remember that all information presented is for educational purposes only. Okay, this video is not entitled to be considered personal finance or an offering. We're just indeed describing the strategy, the advantages of automated trading, but at the same time is you to decide how you use this information. Okay, great. Now let's think, what is the advantage of automated trading? Okay, why Osiris is so valuable for you. Now this client, we have little contact with him aside of the very first communication we had with him. Now what if you were to take this amount, this savings, this extra amount of money that you have to invest? What would be the different scenarios? First, how good is this return in only 3.5 months? Okay, now we need a benchmark. First, we have talked about the compound annual growth rate based on the S&P 500. So if I take from January 1st, 2005 to December 31st, 2016, I adjust for inflation and include dividends, my annualized return, the true, as mentioned, compound annual growth rate, it's 5.35. So if I were to take this money, right, and let's say I'm in the position to find a bank that it's willing to give me that amount of that return, 5.35. okay, and I want to say how long it's going to take me via traditional investments. Okay, Via traditional investments, it will take me, if I actually find a bank that will give me that, let's see where we are sitting right now. If we check the account, we have a profit of $3,189. So the account is at, let's take the equity, $8,979 if I close all the positions today. So say 7 years, maybe? No, 8 years. Well, pretty much it will take you, let's check one more time, $8,979, so it's pretty close. It will take you more or less 8 years if you find a bank willing to give you 5.35% per year in savings. Okay, now the S&P 500, based on the compound annual growth rate, is giving you 5.35, but so far using Osiris in only one currency here, we can see this, we're only trading one currency due to the size of the account. You are generating in 3.5 months 53.16%. It's a decent return. Now, of course, you're taking some risk on this matter, but the most important that risk is worth it. If you take this, let's do the math real quick. Measuring your risk reward, let's use a calculator. We take, so we have 53.16. Let's see, okay, 53.16 divided into 39.13. That gives you a risk reward ratio of 1.35. That means for every dollar you risk, you're earning $1.35. Okay, that's pretty good. Now, let's check this, something I found real quick. In Australia, the highest savings account return rate will be 2.85 by Citibank. If I take the traditional method based in Australia, 2.85, how many years it will take me? See, it's not 8 years. Let's see, 14 years. 14 years it will take you via the traditional rates in Australia to get to the amount that we have generated with Osiris EA in only 3.5 months. Okay, so this is very important to consider. The value, you're saving yourself almost 14 years of work here. Okay, so this is it for today. I'm going to come back tomorrow with more information. We're going to discuss more examples. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe or ask any questions. Thanks again.